Hey everyone, I've got some exciting news to share with you. Filmora has just launched a brand new event called 2025 New Year New Creations. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. This event runs from December 16th, 2024 to January 15th, 2025. You'll find all the details, including the event link, down in the description. Now, let me tell you what this event is all about. It's packed with fun and prizes, and there are 3 parts to it. First up, spin the wheel for surprise prizes. Here's how it works. You get to spin a wheel every day and unlock some amazing prizes. Each user gets 1 free spin per day, and if you're feeling lucky and want more chances, just invite your friends to join. Copy your invite link, share it with them, and once they complete their registration, you're all set. Keep in mind though, you can only invite up to 5 friends during the event. Now let's talk prizes. You could win an Osmo Pocket 3, 7-day creative assets, 500 AI credits, a 30% discount on the yearly creative assets plan, or a 20% discount on the Filmora perpetual plan. Pretty awesome, right? Next, create and share your precious moments. This part is all about celebrating your best memories of 2024. By participating, you can win a 30-day free Filmora license. And don't worry, it's super simple to join. Step 1. Use Filmora to create a recap of your year, highlighting your favorite moments. Just make sure the video is at least 15 seconds long. Step 2. Post your video on social media and include the hashtag #HashRecapWithFilmora. Step 3. Submit your video link on the event website, click the icon, paste your link, and you're done. If you need ideas, no problem. Filmora's got you covered with some great examples and creative assets to help bring your video to life. You can even explore tutorials to add that extra flair. Finally, share your hopes and messages. This is your chance to share your dreams and positive vibes with Filmora. Write down your wishes, submit them, and be part of something truly special. You know, on a personal note, I can't thank Filmora enough. It's been a game changer for me as a creator. I've been able to edit videos, share my creativity with others, and even create tutorials to help people learn how to use Filmora like a pro. It's more than just an editing tool. It's a platform that inspires creativity and helps people express themselves. So that's everything about this amazing event. Join now, unlock some great prizes, and show off your creativity to the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.